Let me speak plainly about the thing that's scaring you. AI, artificial intelligence, is changing work. It's real, it's fast, and for a lot of people your age, it feels like a door quietly closing. I'm not going to tell you it's harmless, it isn't. But I am going to tell you the part almost nobody is saying, and it changes everything. Start with this number. Among workers over 50, 61% fear being replaced by this technology, but only 7% have ever taken a single class on how to use it. Think about that. The fear is enormous. The action is almost nothing. And that gap, not the technology, is what's actually putting people at risk. Now here's the truth about what AI really does. It does not usually eliminate whole jobs. It eliminates tasks inside them. It can draft the report. It can summarize the data. It can write the first version of almost anything. What it cannot do is know which questions matter. It cannot tell you which assumption is wrong. It cannot look at a deal and feel in its gut that something is off. That's judgment. And judgment is not downloaded, it's earned. Think about it this way. Put a 25-year-old and a 55-year-old in front of the same tool. Both will get an answer in seconds. But you've lived through recessions. You've watched companies rise and collapse. You know when a number looks too clean, when a promise sounds too easy, when a room has gone quiet for the wrong reason. The machine gives you speed. You bring the wisdom to know what to do with it. The value didn't disappear, it moved. It moved toward exactly what you have. The wisdom, the understanding. And here's something you seem to have forgotten. You have already done this. You lived through the arrival of the personal computer. You learned email, you adapted to the internet, to mobile phones, to working from home. Every one of those was supposed to leave you behind. It did not. You learned, you adjusted, you adapted, you kept going. The only difference now is the speed, which means the answer isn't fear, it's curiosity. So here's what I want you to do. Here's what I need from you. Open the tool, any of them. Use it for something small this week. Ask it to draft an email. Ask it to summarize an article. 10 minutes, that's it. Because when a hiring manager sees a seasoned professional who actually knows how to use these tools, you stop being seen as the past. You become rare. The workers over 50 who learned this did not get replaced. They describe it as a superpower. Their experience amplified. The machine can do the task. It cannot be you. Learn the tool. Then you bring to it what it will never have.